We are at an old building in Madrid, where I was just given permission to do this. The doorman was kind enough to allow me. Wow. All right, we're gonna make this quick because I want to be respectful here. Oh, they modded it on the inside. Well, at least the outside's original. That's the original controller. That's gotta be the original controller. Actually, I'm not gonna, let's see, I'm just gonna get a little shot of that. Very cool. Okay, this is definitely the original controller. Yeah, that's original relay logic for sure. Yes, that's definitely the original controller. That's definitely the old controller. 100%. Anyway, that will be it.